How to delete your Amazon account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Geek, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can delete your Amazon account permanently. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to delete your Amazon account permanently, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to go ahead and simply open the Amazon shopping application. Once you open the Amazon shopping app, right over here you will see this kind of interface. So first you have to tap on the account or this little profile icon from the bottom of the menu options, and here at the very top go to the option called your account. And once you go to your account, you want to scroll down to the bottom, and let's say you scroll down all the way to the bottom under the data and privacy, you'll find a second option that refers as close your Amazon account. So just go ahead and tap on it. Now closing your Amazon account is just like closing up your Google account, because under Google you have many services such as your YouTube account and many of the other blogger accounts and so on that you've added to your Google account. Similarly on Amazon as well, if you delete your Amazon account, you will lose your Amazon Prime subscription if it's under it. You'll also lose your Amazon Seller account. If you have a Seller Central account, you'll lose Amazon Business, Amazon Associates, your Amazon Pay credentials, Amazon Flex, and many more other services that is related to Amazon. So you have to be very wary of that. For example, you must have a Prime Video account, and if you delete your Amazon account, your Amazon Prime Video is also going to be deleted. So you have to keep that thing in mind as well. Now if you do not have any account linked and if you show that you want to delete it, scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen, and here you'll find the final option that is choose a reason. So select your reason from this drop down options and then select yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data, and then tap on the close my account button from the bottom of the screen, and it says that a confirmation is required. Protecting your privacy and the security of your data is a top priority for Amazon. It says that you have to verify either through a text message or your email address, and the link is going to expire in 5 days. Now this is done for the final verification that whether or not the person trying to delete the account is the owner or the actual owner himself or not. So go ahead and verify your email, tap on the delete option, and you'll be able to successfully close your Amazon account. That's all it takes to close your Amazon account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.